So Patterson temporarily won the face-off, but Cochrane picked it up, and here goes Cochrane. This Golick. Golick tried to dipsy-doodle around the Hearst D, and that's picked up by Boswell. There's a dangerous play, and that didn't click at all. Here comes Hearst. Here comes Comeau. Comeau, he's going in. He passes it across. There's a shot. Scores! Andrew Morton from Comeau on a beautiful setup play. Hearst up 3-1. Matthew Comeau made a great pass, and Andrew Morton made no mistake. Fired up under the crossbar for that 3-1 lead.